Hi guys, welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sian and we're back with another Christmas gift ideas video perfect for any cross stitcher, whether that's yourself, a friend or family, and we've even included something for a child. There is a range of gifts here in this video today, so hopefully there is something for everyone. Before jumping into this video, we would love for you to join the community by hitting that subscribe button and clicking on that notification bell so you get notified when we next upload. I would also encourage you to go and check out the Caterpillar Cross Stitch Facebook group, which is a really friendly space where you can share your work and also connect with other stitchers. So last week we uploaded a really fun video, which was the stocking filler gift ideas video, which ranged from needle minders to thread holders. And if you missed that video, we will leave a link down below so you can go and check that out. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some more gift ideas, and I really hope you find this useful. Let's jump right in with our first gift, and that is the Caterpillar Cross Stitch kit. Now there are lots of different kits here available at Caterpillar Cross Stitch, and I think a kit is the perfect gift as it comes with all the essential things you need to stitch. Included in a kit is a printed colour chart, the DMC threads already organised on the pre-sorted thread holders, and extra thread is included in the kit so you don't have to worry about running out of any threads, which is great. You also have the fabric, and there are different options to choose from, which I love because we all have a preference in what we like to stitch, and so Sally always gives a range of options to suit the kit to the stitcher. There is also a DMC needle, and each kit comes with a printed pattern. I just wanted to mention that there are some designs which do have a matching needle minder. So if you wanted to add a little extra to the kit, you could also include one of the needle minders. Now I mentioned that one of the gifts being featured in today's video was perfect for a child, and that is because Sally has brought out some kits perfect for a child. Now there are different designs to choose from, and one of my favourite things about these kits is this fun, colourful drawstring storage bag which the kits come in. Each kit comes with everything that you need, with an added bonus of a hoop. Now all the junior kits come in an 8 count Aida fabric, which is perfect for a child starting on their cross stitching journey, and the designs are all full cross stitches. Moving on to the next gift, we have the Caterpillar Cross Stitch project bags. There are 2 different bags available to choose from, starting with the first bag. This is a canvas fabric bag which is 11 inches by 8.5 inches, which has a really strong gold zip detailing, which I love. On the front we have the Caterpillar Cross Stitch logo, and on the back is just the plain canvas fabric. The second bag is a double pocket bag which featured in the What's in My Project bag video, which we uploaded recently. The bag measures at 11.5 inches by 8 inches and is made from a sturdy cotton fabric, but it also has a clear PVC back so that you can see what is inside your bag. I find this helpful when you have multiple projects on the go. At a glance you can see what is in the project bag. There are 2 pockets which I find comes in really handy, as you can separate your tools from your project. Project bags are a really great way to keep your projects clean and tidy, and when you want to take a break from stitching, you know that your project is all safe in the project bag waiting for you to come back and stitch again. Next up we have a grime guard. Now these are one of the essentials in my stitching tools, as they help to keep any dirt on my hands being transferred onto my project. I also use a Lowry stand, so it also creates a barrier between my project and the clamp. Another great thing about using a grime guard is that you can tuck all your excess fabric away into the grime guard, keeping it all nice and clean. These come in all sorts of different colours, different designs and sizes, so if your recipient has a favourite character or season or animal, then there will be something for everyone, making it a really great gift. And there is also the option to make one yourself. One of my favourite things to receive as a gift is a fabric bundle. I like to have a different range of fabrics in my stash, as I quite often like to finish my cross stitching into ornaments. We featured fabric in our finishing bundle in the stocking filler gift ideas, but I think it would be a really nice gift if you gifted a fabric bundle. Now there are so many different ways you can utilise fabric to help with your stitching, even if you don't have a sewing machine. You can mount your cross-stitching onto fabric, you can use the fabric to bring out some colour in a frame, and you can also use it to help finish a hoop. Now there are a lot more options if you do have a sewing machine, but I think that fabric bundle would be great as a gift, as I think it would allow the recipient to become quite creative. Staying with fabrics, my next gift is cross-stitching fabric. Now there are so many different fabrics available, from hand-dyed fabrics to printed fabrics to plain fabrics, and I think any stitcher would appreciate some fabric for Christmas. I really like this polka dot even weave fabric, as it really does have that snowy feel. I recently used this in a Christmas gift exchange, and it really did bring a little extra to the design, and I was really pleased with how this fabric added to the piece that I made. Another one of my favourite fabrics is opalescent fabric, as this brings an extra bit of sparkle to the fabric. Now I think it's important to mention that it's always a good idea to find out the type of fabric and the count size that your recipient likes to stitch on, as we all have a preferred stitch count and type of fabric we like to stitch on. So I always think it's a good idea to always find out them details and then buy the fabric to suit. The next gift for you is the DMC colour card. Now I absolutely love this, and I think this would be a really good gift for anybody who doesn't have this in their stitching tools. Now there are two different types available. There is a card version and a thread version, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the thread version. The booklet has a range of DMC threads, which are the 6-strand embroidery floss, the colour variations floss, the light effects floss, pearl cotton and metallic pearl. Now the reason I have included this in today's video is because it really helps me with my projects. I don't personally have the full set of DMC threads, so when I'm trying to decide what threads to use in a pattern, if not stitching from a kit, this allows me to see what colours are called for in the design, and I can see what they look like. It also helps me to substitute out any colours if I don't have them in stash. It allows me to see maybe what the closest colour is to what is in the design. So it really helps with changing colours out and working from my stash. I think any cross stitcher would really appreciate this, as it's a really good tool to have. Next up we have a magnetic board, which also includes these magnetic strips. The magnetic strips help to keep my focus on where I am, and there are different types of magnetic guides ranging in different sizes. Now for those of you who have a Lowry stand, this fits perfect in the pattern holder accessory. Now talking of the Lowry stand, this is my last gift for you. Now this might not be for everybody, as it is on the higher end of the price bracket, but if you have the budget for a Lowry stand, I would highly recommend one. Some of my favourite things about the Lowry stand is that it's fully adjustable. You can adjust the height, you can adjust the extension of the arm, and you can really make it fit to how you need to stitch in your environment. I really enjoy using the Lowry stand, as it allows me to stitch with both hands, and it also frees my hand from having to hold my project, which causes strain in my wrist. Since using the Lowry stand, I'm able to stitch for hours on end with no problems, and it really is a joy to use. Now there are so many different accessories you can buy for the Lowry stand, so you can also add to the gift if you wanted to, and it really does allow you to create that environment and that stitching station that you really desire. I think a Lowry stand would be a great gift if you have the budget for it and you know your recipient is looking for a stand. There we have my favourite Christmas gift ideas for 2021. I hope this has given you some inspiration, and I would love to hear what you're hoping to receive for Christmas this year. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, I'll see you very soon. Bye!